Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 26th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be looking at these storm systems here moving across the country. As you can see here, there's one moving across the deep south, bringing some rain to the area. This will continue to push east and bring us some rain here in Georgia and the Carolinas and Florida and even Virginia as it continues to push east. Had one system here that was bringing some precipitation to the mid-Atlantic. That's continued to push away. You can see some activity over southeastern Canada, stretching over toward Newfoundland, also over towards New Brunswick, and also towards St. John's Island there as well. Scattered activity out west in the Rocky Mountains, also back toward California. You can see a little swirly system here, swirling here off the California coast. That's going to bring some showers and maybe some mudslides to portions of California in the areas of the wildfires in that region. Also, the subtropical jet looks like it's beginning to get a little more active. You can see a lot of activity in the eastern Pacific, and all of this activity will continue to ride along that subtropical jet as it continues to push on to the east there, east northeast across Mexico, and also into Texas and then across the southeastern United States. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like the video, share the video, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got some snow up in Maine, down the portion of Ohio, Pennsylvania, back into Michigan, northern Wisconsin, Minnesota, also around Lake Superior, Lake Herring area, a little bit of snow around Colorado, also some mixed precipitation in California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, showers and thunderstorms in that vicinity as well, more showers across South Texas, thunderstorms around Louisiana, then more shower activity from eastern Louisiana to the Carolinas, also along the coastal water, down into the Florida Keys, and also in the Gulf of Mexico. Got some mixed precipitation up in eastern Tennessee and western North Carolina. Alright, otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to your Tuesday forecast. You can see we got some snow in Maine, stretching down to Pennsylvania, also portions of Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin, Minnesota, also into Lake Herring, Lake Superior region. More mixed precipitation from Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, Nevada, Southern California with rain showers there as well, stretching into Arizona. Also across Texas, Oklahoma region, thunderstorms and showers in that vicinity as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, here's a look at the current watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got some special weather statements up here in portions of northern Maine. We even have a snow squall warning right in one county there, just right along the Canadian-U.S. border. And then we got wind advisories, high wind warnings in effect, snow warnings, and also winter weather advisory for New York State. Wind advisory stretching from Pennsylvania into West Virginia. Special weather statements over western West Virginia, and also in the portions of Kentucky, Tennessee region. Wind advisories over Michigan, portion of Wisconsin, Illinois, and also into portions of South Dakota. Hydro issues there with Illinois, Indiana, and also portions of southern Michigan. Also over here in portions of Colorado. Here's that winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, freeze watches, warnings in California stretching into Arizona. Cold weather advisories over portions of Arizona, portions of Oregon and in Northern California. Air stagnation advisory, air quality alerts over portions of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State as well. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning from Maine to the Delaware region, then again along the Florida Keys as well, and then up here near Oregon coast. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Small craft advisory, freezing spray warning around the Alaska area, inland areas, winter storm warning, winter weather advisory. You can got some blizzard warnings there as well, storm warnings also in that vicinity. Also, we have extreme cold weather warnings in effect for portions of Idaho also. Alright, we got some severe weather to talk about finally on the table. As you can see, here is day number, which is day 4. This will be Wednesday. You can see we got a 15% risk of severe weather over a portion of central Texas from Abilene just east of Midland and around St. Angelo, Brownwood, and Sweetwater, Texas region. This is only a 15% chance of slight risk for severe weather. Marginal risk will outline the severe weather area on day 4, which will go to day 3. Alright, here's day 5. You can see on the map here we got another one from Wichita Falls to Dallas to Waco to Abilene, all the way down toward Fort Worth area, Plano and Irving, Texas region. 15% risk for severe weather over Texas on day 5, which is Thursday. Alright, now let's move on to the heavy rainfall expected over the Texas region, stretching into portion of Alabama and also in the portion of Arkansas, Mississippi, Louisiana region. You can see a bullseye right here with heavy precipitation. Some stretching over into the Carolinas, maybe up to 3/4 of an inch of rain over a portion of South Carolina, ½ inch to a tenth of an inch along the coast. You can see it stretching all the way into Maine up here, also into Canada. You got some heavy precipitation from southwestern Canada through Washington, Oregon State, northern California, and pockets over in Arizona and Nevada. New Mexico, excuse me, and also Southern California, a little bit of northern Nevada, and also into Idaho and also Montana. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Like these videos, share these videos, and consider subscribing one more time if you have not already. We'll catch you back in the next video, so have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.